In today's fast-paced world, the idea of home is transforming. It's no longer just a shelter, it's becoming a sanctuary. Biophilic design combines the sophistication of modern luxury with the tranquility of nature. This narration explores how biophilic homes create calm living spaces where beauty, health, and serenity coexist seamlessly. Biophilic design is more than a trend, it's a movement. As people seek balance between technology and nature, homes are being reimagined with organic materials, natural light, and open layouts. This approach reflects a deep human need to reconnect with the natural world while still enjoying modern comfort. True luxury today isn't only about expensive finishes or futuristic architecture, it's about harmony. Biophilic luxury redefines wealth as living in an environment that nurtures well-being. A marble countertop feels incomplete without greenery beside it. High ceilings gain life when sunlight flows freely. This is modern elegance infused with nature. Modern living often glorifies productivity, but biophilic homes champion serenity as the new status symbol. Peaceful interiors, calming materials, and views of greenery all symbolize refined taste. The essence of true wealth lies not in noise or excess, but in the ability to rest and feel at peace. Large windows, skylights, and glass walls invite natural light to become the centerpiece of biophilic design. Light softens interiors, reduces stress, and connects occupants with time's natural rhythm. Unlike artificial illumination, sunlight changes tone throughout the day, painting luxury spaces with dynamic warmth that technology simply cannot replicate. Imagine stepping into a home where plants thrive as integral design elements. Indoor gardens breathe life into modern luxury interiors. From vertical green walls to small indoor courtyards, these living ecosystems reduce toxins, regulate air quality, and remind us that calm living is deeply tied to green companionship. Luxury isn't only about what you see, it's also about what you hear and feel. Incorporating water features like indoor fountains, reflecting pools, or garden ponds introduces soothing sounds and fluid movement. Water embodies calmness, creating a multisensory experience that enriches both body and mind inside biophilic homes. Material choices shape the atmosphere of a home. Stone walls, clay finishes, reclaimed wood, and bamboo flooring introduce texture and warmth. Combined with natural palettes of earthy browns, sandy beiges, and leafy greens, biophilic homes radiate grounded luxury. The subtle imperfections of organic materials tell stories of authenticity. Walls divide, but biophilic design seeks to connect. Open-plan living areas blend kitchen, dining, and lounge spaces with nature-facing views. These layouts create flow, encourage social interaction, and maximize natural light. In such spaces, luxury feels less like isolation and more like connection, with both people and the earth. In biophilic luxury homes, the bedroom is not just for sleeping, it's a retreat. Natural fabrics, warm wooden tones, and large windows facing greenery create restorative environments. By integrating calming elements like linen curtains and indoor plants, bedrooms transform into spaces where body and soul align for better rest. Luxury kitchens embrace natural stone countertops, wooden cabinets, and herbs growing within arm's reach. This connection between design and daily rituals enhances well-being. Cooking becomes a grounding activity, blending luxury appliances with earthy finishes. Preparing food in such a setting feels like an act of mindfulness rather than routine. modern bathrooms can be transformed into spa-like sanctuaries. Stone sinks, rainfall showers, natural light tunnels, and plant accents turn hygiene into ritual. Water, light, and texture combine to create spaces that heal and refresh. Here, biophilic design proves that luxury lies in daily moments of calm self-care. Patios, terraces, and balconies extend living spaces into nature. Large sliding glass doors dissolve the barrier between indoors and outdoors. In luxury biophilic homes, dining can shift effortlessly between the two realms. This fusion allows homeowners to experience natural rhythms without sacrificing the comfort of modern design. Biophilic design also draws from fractals, organic shapes, and biomorphic forms. From leaf-inspired wallpapers to wave-like furniture curves, natural patterns subconsciously reduce stress. These subtle design cues remind us of the forest, ocean, or desert landscapes, proving that nature's language enriches luxury interiors with timeless elegance and peace. Luxury doesn't need excess. Minimalism, when fused with biophilia, creates spaces where every element has purpose. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and curated greenery produce calm interiors. Instead of overwhelming decor, these homes highlight essentials: natural light, air, and greenery. This blend ensures timeless elegance that transcends fleeting design trends. Contrary to belief, modern technology enhances biophilic homes rather than diminishes them. Automated skylights, smart irrigation systems for indoor plants, and energy-efficient climate controls integrate convenience with sustainability. When carefully balanced, technology supports our natural rhythms, proving that luxury can coexist with ecological responsibility and calm living. Studies show that nature lowers stress, enhances focus, and improves happiness. By embedding these elements into daily living, biophilic homes become more than architectural marvels, they become healing spaces. True modern luxury is emotional luxury, the ability to feel calm, inspired, and deeply connected every time you walk inside. Air quality, natural ventilation, and daylight exposure significantly impact health. Biophilic homes prioritize these elements, ensuring occupants breathe cleaner air and receive healthier light. This translates into improved sleep cycles, stronger immunity, and lower anxiety levels. Luxury in this context means long-term wellness, a priceless investment in calm living. Biophilic luxury homes adapt beautifully across seasons. In summer, lush greenery and cross-ventilation provide cool comfort. In winter, wood textures, warm lighting, and cozy greenery balance the cold outside. Seasonal adaptability ensures that the connection with nature is consistent, offering peace and beauty no matter the time of year. Biophilic design is not limited to countryside estates. Even in urban environments, penthouses and apartments integrate rooftop gardens, vertical greenery, and natural materials. These touches create pockets of calm amidst city chaos. Urban luxury, therefore, becomes the privilege of accessing nature's serenity while surrounded by concrete and skyscrapers. Modern homeowners equate luxury with responsibility. Biophilic homes often use recycled materials, energy-efficient systems, and rainwater harvesting. These eco-conscious choices not only reduce footprints but also enhance beauty. Sustainable luxury is timeless, proving that comfort, elegance, and respect for the environment can coexist without compromise. Art collections thrive when displayed in biophilic settings. Sculptures illuminated by natural light or paintings framed against stone walls gain new depth. Nature doesn't compete with art, it elevates it. Luxury is found in the dialogue between human creativity and organic design, reminding us of our deep cultural roots. Looking ahead, biophilic homes will dominate the definition of modern luxury. With increasing awareness of climate change and mental health, people will seek designs that nurture balance. Architects and homeowners alike will embrace nature as an essential design partner, ensuring homes serve as calm sanctuaries for generations. In a world overwhelmed with noise, screens, and speed, biophilic luxury homes act as an antidote. They invite us to slow down, breathe, and live intentionally. Calm living isn't just an aesthetic. It's a philosophy of life, where every space whispers tranquility and every corner radiates peaceful energy. Biophilic design shows us that modern luxury isn't about extravagance, but about harmony with nature. From sunlight-filled rooms to eco-conscious materials, these homes embody calm living at its finest. In choosing biophilic luxury, we choose serenity, health, and timeless beauty, a lifestyle where home becomes the truest sanctuary.